Hello and welcome to another one of Dynamic CCTV's technical videos. My name's Nathan Garner. I'm the project manager and one of the tech support team leaders here at Dynamic CCTV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the visitor module through HikCentral, which allows you to set up visitors and assign them to access points or doors within your building and give them specific rights and times in which they can visit the site. This can be done remotely, so they can be added to the system before they actually attend the site, and it will also link up with the temperature screen solutions with the Minmo terminals, which is a very prominent feature at the moment. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log into the web client of our HikCentral server. And you can see there we've got an option for visitor. So this is a separate module that you do have to purchase a license for to use it with HikCentral, and this links up with your access control systems. So if I click on visitor, the first thing that we need to do is set up a visitor's access group for the permission. So if I go to access group and I click on add, so what I've done there is just called the group name visitors, and I'm going to assign it to the access rights that we've given on the visitors access level for that. Once that is done, we can go to visitor registration, and I'm going to register myself as a visitor. So if I click on register there, and if I then enter Nathan and my second name, there's also the options now for the skin surface temperature if it's known. So if you know what the person's temperature is, you can enter that in there, but we don't know for the moment. And what we can do is also enter in the license plate. So this will be registered with the person's license plate number as they would with a paper version of a registration system in a building. This makes it all automated. What we can then do is upload a picture, or we can take a picture depending on the scenario. And for this one I'm just going to upload a picture of myself to the visitor and click save there. We can also set a visitee, so who the actual visitor would be visiting on site. So if I search for my colleague's name and enter that in there, and the visit time is from 10 o'clock this morning, change that. Till the end of the day today. So if I click on OK there, if we were using standard access control with cards, we could then go in and register a card if we wanted to for that. But we're just going to be using the facial recognition side of things with the Minmo terminal. The valid times, this is the amount of times the attendee can visit that day. And so if you just wanted them to be able to get in the building once, you can limit that, or you can give it, say, 2. If there's a lunch break, they can then get back into the building the same day. The visit reasons, so by default these are business, training, tour and visit and meeting. If you select other, you can enter in your own text there, but we're just going to set this to training for now. Where it says access group, if we click on configuration, we can then see the group name I created as visitors, which the access level is set to visitors as well. So if I click on OK there, I can then click on the register button. So that's now registered me as a visitor on the system, and it will also generate a QR code which can be used as a visitor's pass. And so if I've downloaded that, and I can bring that up full screen, which can be used with the terminals as well. But because I've uploaded my face to the system, what I can do is go to access group, and I want to apply this to our terminal. So now that's applied, I'll just go down to our terminal, and then it should be able to see myself in the visitor records as well on the system. So now that I've scanned myself on the terminal, if I go into visitor records, you can see there that I visited today, and I've also checked myself out, which I set up within the system. So this creates a full log which can then actually be exported. So you can also see the temperature that I was detected at as well. So we can export the actual files from there as well if we wanted to, by that button there. So this gives us a record of any visitors that attended site that's been used through HikCentral, and if used with the temperature screen solution such as the Minmo terminal, it does actually keep a record of the person's temperature, which makes it really easy to trace anyone that's been in and out of the buildings, and also for you to know exactly who's in the building at any given time through there. And so that was just a quick look at the visit management system through HikCentral. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us here at Dynamic CCTV. We're always happy to help there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell in the top right hand corner to be notified of any upcoming videos that we do have as soon as they're uploaded to our channel. Thanks, bye.